Hello everyone! In this video, I am going to be sharing the supplies that I have pulled together to use for the 7 Days of Gratitude Art Journal Challenge. And some of these supplies will be used to make the journal that I'm going to be using throughout the challenge, and then the rest are for the art journaling. So it looks like a lot of stuff, and it is, and that's because I like to do a lot of different techniques and styles in my art journal. Some of it is more paper crafting, some of it is more artistic, and so that's why you see a ton of different stuff. So I'm just going to walk through what I've pulled, and I'm going to be putting it away in this box that I can just keep on my desk throughout the week of art journaling. So the first thing I'm going to share is just some paints that I pulled together. These are the Target, let's see, Handmade Modern brand. And they have a ton of different colors, so I just pulled some from my stash, two really neutral, like a gray and a light brown, a bright yellow and teal. And then I also pulled this Portrait Pink, which I got at Walmart. This Delusions White Linen, which is a really awesome kind of white wash paint that's fun to put over like magazine text and things like that. And then a black chalkboard paint, which I just got at Target. So it's just a matte black. I pulled some washi, and everything I pulled I kind of based off of these printable patterns that I purchased from Brandy Kincaid, her November Extravagant Hope collection. So I was inspired by the bright goldenrod yellow and the coral kind of pink and the teal blue. So for the washi tape, I stuck to a lot of black and white with some metallic pops, and then this kind of salmon and rosy grid tape. So yeah, lots of neutrals for layering on top of things. And then for stamps, I really had to limit myself because I have so many fun stamps that I wanted to use, but I tried to stick to kind of the essentials and also thinking about the size of my journal. So I'm going to be making a personal size traveler's notebook insert, so I tried to keep the scale pretty small. So I have some numbers, some alphabets. These coordinate, there's a solid and a stripe. This set, which has a bunch of fun phrases and some like washi layering stamps. This one from Kelly Purkey, which has some fun date ones at the top and kind of like the today right now. This set of gratitude stamps from Studio Calico. It's their November stamp subscription, and so I thought that'd be perfect for the challenge with the grateful heart stamp and the thankful for you. And then this one that's just a bunch of fun labels, which are just kind of a basic stamp that I find myself using a lot. And so just some coordinating inks. I have Brick House by Color Theory, Coral Bay, Cement, and Glass Slipper. And then I have this kind of golden yellow from Illustrated Faith. This one's Pigment. This one is kind of a blush pink from Fresh Ink. That one's also Pigment. And then my favorite black stamp pad. That's the VersaFine Pigment ink. And let's see what next. Stickers. So I pulled out these fashion stickers I have. I thought those would be fun to layer. I have this book of old time roses, and these are really fun and I think work pretty well for autumn with the kind of like mauve-y pink and bright yellow. So those are going to be fun. This set, which I think is American Crafts, there's some alphabet, there's some labels, there's some word strips. And then a whole bunch of labels in different colors and sizes and shapes. And these I just pulled from my stash. I kind of went a little overboard, but I figure the more I have out, the more I will use up. These Color Theory label stickers, I love these. They come in a set of either 10 or 12 different colors, and I just pulled 4 that I thought would go well with this kit that I was putting together. And then these stickers, these are just like postage stamp stickers that are fun to layer. Some more alphabets from Kelly Purkey, these ones from A Beautiful Mess, and then some Studio Calico word strips, washi strips, and these kind of vellum layering stickers from an old planner kit. So that's it for stickers, and now we're on to paper. So this is just an envelope that I thought would be fun to layer in somehow. I have just a gray tag. I pulled some journaling cards, and I just kind of went through my stash and pulled out some that would coordinate and that I thought would apply well to the gratitude theme. So like this one's about home, which is one of the prompts. The zebra really has nothing to do with anything. I just thought it was cute, and I liked the gold with the black and white. And the me and you, which I thought would be good for family or friends or for the love prompt. So I was also kind of thinking about what would apply throughout the days. And then these are printable journaling cards. These are also from the Extravagant Hope collection that I printed out. And then I just went through my scrap paper and pulled out a bunch of paper. I'm not going to go through where they're all from. Most of them are from paper pads. Some of them are from Studio Calico planner kits in the past. And yeah, these were all just in my scrap box because they're cut down from 12 by 12. So I have those. I have the Brandy Kincaid papers, and then I have the printable die cuts that I created for this challenge, and so I'm really excited to use this. There's some word strips at the top. There's each of the prompts in kind of a bold lettered font. A house, a coffee cup, some leaves, and then these 2 fashion illustrations I did that are inspired by me and Laura, the hosts of the challenge. And so that's it for the kit. I might pull in a few different things as I go. I'm sure I will, but yeah, that's kind of what I have pulled out to kind of get inspired and ready for the challenge. And so I hope you will join me in the next video where I'm going to be making my journal that I will be using throughout the challenge using some of these papers, and I hope you will join us in the challenge as well. So thanks for watching. Bye.